Solid Mind here, and today we are looking at the A16 wireless earbuds. These are from Amazon. These are $19.99. I'm gonna put a link down below so you guys can see it. So let's find out. Are these good? I don't know. So I've been using UAir for a very long time, but I thought let me try something a little different because why not? I thought it's time for a little change. So the change is here. So these are the earbuds. How do they come out here? Slide out. Okay, they slide out like so. So activate your warranty, which I'm gonna do because I intend to keep them for a while. Alrighty, unlock the full potential of your earbuds. Alrighty, so warranty sticker. Interesting. Okie dokie. This is the box. It's empty now. Put it aside. So in here are some accessories. Let me first see the accessories because we need to see them. Okay, slide them out. Classic stuff, isn't it? So we have here a mini cable. It's tiny. It's USB-C, which works fine. We also have some ear cushion. What do you call this actually? Earplugs. These are going on the earphones, so that's pretty good to have. And let me put this for a side. What else is in the box? That's it. In here is the A16 manual. So in the manual, it's in English. You know what? That's a good sign because whenever I buy cheap earphones on Amazon, oftentimes they come in like 50 languages. So this was designed for the Western market. Now, that's the accessories, which is not a lot. Now, here is the beauty. Look at that. Wow. That looks interesting. My goodness, it feels weird. It feels very weird. Okay, so there's a USB-C port. So this comes with wireless charging as well, as standard. So this is my first time seeing this. Look at that. Look at that. These are beautiful. So if I take this out, I see. So they protrude out. Okay, what is this sticker saying? Oh, okay, so it stops them charging, which means now they can charge. How did this go back in? Like that. Oh, you can see the charging right there. So it's 99. It's blurry, but I think that's on purpose. 99%. So what does this say? Please remove the film before use. Not bad, alrighty. So this is how they come, which isn't bad actually. This feels like if you ever been to the beach before, when you try and throw a stone away, and you get those really smooth stones, this is what it feels like. I like it. It feels light in the hand. I shouldn't do that. They're brand new. So 97% charge already from brand new, which is really good. They are charging. Usually when you get earphones, they recommend you charge them fully for a couple hours. But we'll see. This is just looking at them. So that's them. So I put this down on the thing. Okay. This is how they look. Look at that. Like, that's really handy. Look. I'm really surprised by these. They look really good. They're pretty big. But the beauty is this is meant to go into your ear. And I got them mainly because they go bass. They advertise as, being bass heavy, and I don't mind bass heavy headphones. But this is nice. I like the build, I like the construction. The gap here, I don't know what the gap is there for. My assumption is that this is, well, maybe there's more battery in the back, so it's space for a battery. You know what? Let me actually look further into this. So they go, we take them out into parry mode, red and blue. See that flashing? Is this touch sensitive? Nope. Ooh. Hold on. What's going on? It stopped flashing red and blue. What did you connect to? I am really confused. It's got left, it's got right. It's got 2 pins at the bottom, and the 2 pins go here. So if you just drop them in, they go in just fine. You can't put it the wrong way around at all. This is like part of the earphone. It won't fall out, which is good, really good, because if this was removable, yes, you could change the sizes, but also it would be a bit frustrating. The shape of it feels like it can go in the ear very, very nice. I like this divot. It feels cheap. I won't lie to you. Maybe because it feels light. Maybe that's why. Maybe because the weight of it is not what I expect. Ooh, it's now at 87%. It's lost 10%. To be fair, it's charging 2 batteries, so probably this can't hold much battery. Which is fine. I don't really care. Let me see. Okay, so it says remove the 2 earbuds from the charging case. They will turn on and connect with each other automatically, which is good to know. When the earbuds are powered off, touch both earbuds for basically 3 seconds. Okay, and then there's a powering off as well. Then, okay, so on here, play pause. It's a quick double tap on the earbud. Next one, long press for a second on the right. Then previous on the left, same thing. To answer a call, double tap on any earbud. To reject a call, long press for a second to activate Siri. I am not a Siri user. I am an Alexa user. Triple tap. So basically the standard settings, then volume. You tap once on the right to go up and once on the left to go down. So this is the A16 earbuds. I think I am really happy with them because I paid only £19.99 and it's already dropped to 82%. So this is a good sign. This is a sign that the earbuds are charging, but most likely this doesn't really like hold charge, which is fine. I don't really mind that. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. This is me, looking at the A16 wireless earbuds. If you guys want like a full review of me like actually talking about how they feel like, let me know. If this video gets 100 likes, I will make another video explaining in terms of how 82% now. This is draining really quickly. I will explain how these feel. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and yes, peace.